So taking care of the cooler after a long road trip really amounts to getting rid of whatever you got in there and not letting it sit too long. I got some things that are headed for the dumpster there. Some things that I'll probably take inside. And the rest of it, I do like my veggies. These carrots are still good. The rest of it I just dump, which at this point is just ice and water. Now, these things are tough, but I do need a little bit of care to get, you know, a lot of mold forming in there. I'm going to turn this upside down overnight and make sure that it gets completely dry. One thing you never want to do is to leave something like this open. I actually have a family friend that had their family pet jump inside one of these and they suffocated. Little dog jumped in one of these. Sad story. So when you have this upright, you definitely, you know, when you air it out, you definitely want to flip it upside down. I'm going to take a second. It has a nice gasket here, and this one's pretty new. I've not done this yet, but I'm going to get a little bit of this 303 protectant on there. I use this for all sorts of stuff. The gaskets on my dry suits, the zipper on my watershed bags. You can spray it right on your kayak and reduce how much ultraviolet damage that you have. But you see this gasket here, this is going to be something that I do not real often, but it's something that preserves the longevity of all sorts of gaskets and rubber parts. And you just kind of wipe that around. And I got a little bit of excess here. I'll go ahead and wipe these rubber pieces here. Give them a little bit extra. I'll pull the partition out, let that dry, and then in the morning I will come out here and just make sure that this is totally dry. If I had something really funky in there, like fish or game or something that just got a little gamey, I would certainly get a like a 10% bleach solution, spray it around there, wipe it out. But I think I kept it pretty clean, so I'm happy with that. I'll come back to this in the morning, wipe it out, totally dry. It'll be good to go, ready for the next trip.